In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Joe Malone discount codes in 2024. So let's jump right into it. First of all, you'll have to go to your web browser and search for Joe Malone promo codes. Right here, you should be able to find this website, which is couponfollow.com. And if you open this website, as you can see, we have a list with different types of deals and promo codes that we can choose from. And for example, if I want to get free shipping right here, all I have to do is select the option show coupon code. And this is the code that I can use on my next purchase in order to get a free shipping. So if you scroll down a little bit, you can see right here, there is another website which is called simplycodes.com. And if I'm going to this website right here, as you can see, I have other deals and discount codes that I can use. And for example, if I want to get discount right here, simply the use code option, and you can copy this code and use it on your next purchase in order to get this discount. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.